Hello guys, I will be making a foam rainbow dash. So here I have a template and you can use whatever template of any character that you would like. So I'm going to use rainbow colors and a baby blue for the body. Alright, now I'm going to take my template and I'm going to cut it. And once I have all the pieces, I am going to place them on a piece of paper. And I'm going to trace it. So I'm going to put the middle piece of the hair in the middle so I won't pretty much eat that space by moving the head. So then I'm just going to trace with a pen. You can trace with whatever you would like. And then we are going to pick up the paper to see if we missed any spots. Okay, and then I'm gonna lift up the tape little by little to fill in the places we missed. Okay, now I'm gonna use a poster board on the bottom, and I'm going to try to stick on the parts of the rainbow dash. I'm gonna use the hair in the middle first, and I'm just peeling off the plastic and putting them where they belong. And then I'm gonna take the plastic off of the body, and I'm just taking part of the body so I can make sure it goes on good. Alright, and now I'm gonna take off the rest of the plastic. Now if you have that done, you can put the hair. I like to start with the top, with the easy part. And then I'm gonna put the tail. So the tail was a little bit hard for me because I did not cut the hairs right, but I was able to move them around. So first I took the bottom one off because it's the base and I didn't want it to move, so I took that one off, and then I did color by color. And as I went with the other ones, I kept wiping it with the brush so I wouldn't have any glitter on it, and it can glue on very good. And then I just glued the eye, and the eye is just a paper eye, and I just drew it on there and cut it around. So that is Rainbow Dash. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos of party stuff, let me know in the comments down below. And if you would like to see other videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I try to upload every single week. Thank you.